There's another rainy day out in Revesby today. Now, check out the pretty dirty ML. Quite a beautiful car, but very, very dirty. Now, I want to show you one thing. This car literally hasn't even been high pressure, it's just been foam. We got our detail brush. All it has is our snow foam on it. Check this out. So if you're ever wondering how your badges look so damn good after it's in detail, this is literally the trick. Alright, Danny and his Poncho today. Danny, what are you doing? There's some pretty tasty stuff, so gotta be careful when you're spraying, you don't want to aim in your eyes or in your mouth. Just see how dirty that car is. When we first started, these were completely black before we snowed it. Now the snow and the wheel cleaners help pull a bit of the gunk off, but it is looking pretty nasty.
So this car's been sitting for quite a while. The battery's completely dead. And I have no idea how I'm going to get to that wheel over there.
So we can't move the car. This is the kind of conditions we have to work in sometimes. Rain, hail or shine, right? Let him go. What a weapon.
Get into all the corners. Set you on it.
How are you going to get into that caliper back there, man?
Well, the caliper, you've got to use the brush, and you've also got to use the microfiber cloth and reach in.
Giving all the tricks away today. Love it. Alright, let's check in with him in a little bit. Welcome back. Alright, the snow foam has been dwelling for possibly about 5 minutes maybe. You can see Danny's already smashed out the wheels on this side. They are looking 100, maybe 1,000 times better than what they were. Now I have only brushed all of these bits, just all the sills, to try to get the gunk and muck out, all the badges, the front end. I did a bit of the front end. So now I'm going to hose off the initial snow just to see what we're actually working with underneath, but it's already looking better. Woohoo! Way to go! Alright. See all the gunk coming off. Look at it on the road. That's insane. Get all that shit right out. Get into those badges. Alright. Alright, you can already see just by that tiny bit of snow and high pressure, the car is looking 100 times better than what it was. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to finish high pressuring. I'm going to go through, I'm going to 2 bucket method wash the car, and then we are going to foam the car up again and then start with the clay. Alright guys, now the car is fully washed. All we've done is a 2 bucket wash. Haven't even started claying it, but you can see the paintwork is looking absolutely fantastic. Take a look at that. That paintwork. There is hardly anything left on the roof, which makes it awesome. Now we're just going to go through with our clay and see where it leads. Look, Danny made an absolute killing on those wheels. They look fantastic. And he even managed to get into the corner. Alright guys, final product. Take a look at that. Wouldn't believe it was the same car. All of the stuff that was over the roof, all gone. Looks completely immaculate now. Seats looking amazing, floor's looking great.